Haven't flown Cessna CJ4 in a long time. I used to be like a best money maker to get the first like a Boeing or Airbus jet. Like I was grinding VIP missions, so what I'll do one just to remember how to fly the CJ4. So missions list, yeah, there is a 3 million mission. So before you get your big jets, that's a very good mission. And it's 3 hours with time acceleration, that doesn't take much. Okay, 7,000 to move my plane. Not too bad. Transfer. Wow, looks like we need a lot of fuel. Yeah, I remember this plane is very fuel hungry. Sometimes we'd even have to refuel mid-mission to finish it. Well, let's see if I still remember. Okay, we don't need to do none of that. Skip. Okay, here.
Hello, everyone. Please give your warmest welcome to our passenger, Ms. Pollock. This passenger is on vacation for a few days. The service must be impeccable. Have a nice flight.
Kilo Alpha Oscar traffic. Cessna November 68524 is taxiing to runway tree. Kilo Alpha Oscar.
Okay. Wow, the plane is so dirty. See the rudder is like sensitive. But I think in this plane the pedals doesn't correspond to the actual rudder on the plane. So wash the plane. We're gonna go. There's a lot of throttle just to start moving.
Welcome on board flight DVI 75 with service from North Woodbury to Durango. We'll be shortly in line for takeoff. Please fasten your seatbelts and secure all baggage underneath your seat. And to make sure your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch all personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones, to airplane mode. This is a non-smoking flight.
The plane is so agile compared to the big jets that I've been flying lately. What altitude gonna assign us, but it's probably gonna be pretty high. Let's have 20,000 for now. More side signal. good? No? You want me to get closer? I have to level up a little. Oh, it's good. It's needed 1 inch. Okay, crossed.
Kilo Alpha Oscar Oscar traffic. Cessna November 68524. Taking off runway tree. West departure. Kilo Alpha Oscar Oscar. Ladies and gents, this is First Officer Gill.
I thought we were only taking one lady.
Time to Durango is 3 hours 4 minutes. We remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened. Thank you for your attention, and let's have a great flight.
Probably should have flown as an employee, not as my private plane, because I haven't flown it for so long. Okay. So, let's see. Anything overhead panel? No, nothing in overhead panel. Is there a seatbelt signs on this plane? I don't think so. Oh, got already. That's spoilers, thrust. That's our lights, landing lights on. Flight plan. Direct over. Let's see what the iPad is showing. $2,800. $1,800. No, we're not gonna fly 4,000. This thing doesn't even go. Let's request like 2,400 here. I don't know if it's gonna take it. Okay. Gonna be via car to Durango Airport. Wow, it's high in elevation, 6,600 feet. Okay, well for now it's far away, so let's not worry about that. Vertical speed, let's set to maybe 1,500 for now, maybe 2,000 for this plane. There is no auto throttle, I remember. Well, let's just go. There's something about the heat. Okay, but deal with it once we take off. Cannot be that important.
V1, rotate.
Okay. Gear up. Autopilot. Flaps up. Contact controller.
Cleveland Center. Cessna November 68524 is type Cessna C25C. 1 miles north of Kilo Alpha Oscar
Navigation.
Oscar. 2000. Request flight following.
Cessna November 68524.
I'm not happy here about.
15502.
Why does this cold? Okay.
Squawk
Where is our heat?
Cessna 524.
On this plane, anti-ice.
Radar contact 3 miles north of Kilo Alpha Oscar Oscar. 3000. Altimeter tree 000.
We're in overspeed. We need
Oh yeah? Oh no, yeah. Oh, my bad.
Roger. Cessna 524. Cleveland Center. Cessna November 68524.
Anti-ice on, that's good.
Oscar, 3900.
We're going in the wrong direction.
Ready to copy.
Cessna November 68524 is cleared.
Start going towards Oven.
Airport is filed. Squawk 5502.
Cessna November 68524 cleared to 00. Charlie Airport is filed. Squawk 5502.
Cessna 524, read back correct. Radar contact 5200. Altimeter tree 000, turn left heading 280. Proceed on course, climb, and maintain flight level 240.
Okay, 240. Let's set up before we forget. So
280. Resume on navigation. Climb and maintain flight level 240. Cessna
Over.
524.
Direct execute. Now we should be tracking to Oven. Should be, let's see. Plane is slowing down. Need to be more gas. Oven, 106 miles. Let's be in the nav mode. On the heading mode. I didn't take my nav from my hybrid. Let's try to go to hybrid. Figure out. Hybrid direct execute. Auto inhibit. Why? What's going on here? Yeah, I'm not doing something right. Anyways, let's increase the sim rate while we're messing with this. Okay, what is my notes?
Cessna 524 contact Cleveland Center on 128.45. Good day.
Okay.
Going to 128.45.
Cessna November 68524, Cleveland Center, altimeter tree 000. Radar contact continue.
Okay, we'll continue. Flags button. I don't know. Well, let's see if there is any other discontinuities. Zappa. Is that Zappa my last place where I need to go? Yep, Zappa. After Zappa, wow, it's 200 miles. Okay, so Zappa, we want to be, let's set the speed. We want to be, let's say, 245. Oh, we need to clear this. Clear.
Captain, we've just cleared 18,000 feet. Time to set the altimeter to standard.
Yeah, we will. Don't worry about it. They're kind of busy. 240. Okay. Let's go here. 260, let's say. 240. At this thing. Okay, execute. I don't know what that means. Well, it doesn't really matter. Oh wow, we're going so slow. How come we're going so slow? Stalled if. Okay, we need to drop our vertical speed. We're almost at 24. Okay, 500 will do it. Altimeter to standard. Where is our altimeter? Altimeter is here. Okay. Is it standard? Where is our altimeter in this plane? That's comms. I don't even see altimeter. Where is our altimeter? I mean, I know it's. I don't know.
Altitude.
Okay, altitude is good. Still tracking the heading, not in the nav mode for some reason. Lateral navigation mode. Okay. Range. Can we do range? We need to find the range for this guy. Somewhere here, range. It's another one. 25. Okay, passengers, do whatever.
To all passengers, glad to be your captain today. First, I'd like to welcome everyone on behalf of Dakine VIP on flight DVI-75. We are currently cruising at an altitude of 24,000 feet at an airspeed of 250 knots. It's 11:18 p.m. and are expecting to land in Durango approximately at 12:34 a.m. local time. Current temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit. If the weather cooperates, we should get a great view of the area as we descend. I'll update you before we reach our destination. Until then, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the flight.
Okay. Remember, this plane was doing very well with the high sim rates. I think you could fly 16 easily. Okay, we're at 8. Let's try 16.
Cessna 52.
134.475.
Cessna November
Cessna 524.
524. Cleveland Center. Radar contact. Continued OE.
Okay, I guess we were just too far for the autopilot to go to nav mode. Let's slow down a little bit.
Going to 120.6.
Oh, we didn't turn off our landing lights.
Cleveland Center, Cessna November 68524, flight level 240.
Speed lights. Lights went somewhere there.
Cessna 524 contact
Landing
center
lights.
on 134.9er. Good day.
Seatbelt. Still on.
Going to 134.9er, Cessna 524. Center, Cessna
Wow,
November
this plane is
68524.
so dirty. It looks like it's moldy or something.
Cessna November 68524. Center. Radar contact. Continue to hear it.
Jesus, my plane is super dirty.
Cessna 5.
Ah, that's the thing about going fast.
Going to
You miss a lot of
124.45,
communication.
Cessna 524. Indianapolis Center, Cessna November 68524, flight level 240.
Cessna November
Yeah,
68524. Indianapolis Center. Radar contact. Continue to hear it.
Okay. We'll continue to hear it. Let's go back to 16. 16.
Cessna 5.
128.075
Cessna
for
November
Cessna 524.
68524, Indianapolis Center. Radar contact. Continue to hear it.
Looks like my autopilot is doing very well, following the predetermined route. Cessna, yes.
135.125.
Cessna November
Cessna 524.
68524, Indianapolis Center. Radar contact. Continue to BGLRI. Cessna 52.
120.65 for
Cessna November
524.
68524, Indianapolis Center. Radar contact. Continue to BGLRI.
Well, what I'm doing is not like a Zappa.
Cessna 52.
Going to
Somebody needs to create a plugin to auto hit enter for the
Chicago Center.
ATC.
Radar contact. Continue to KNNS.
We don't have anything. Yeah, you didn't say.
2-4 contact Chicago Center on 1 tree, 5 decimal.
See, that's what happens when you get
Champaign Airport information call. 0 tree 000.
get
Wind 1 tree 4.
dinged for all this stuff. Is
Going to
really no point
135.75.
not skip.
Champaign Airport information.
Chicago Center. Cessna November 68524. Flight
Champaign Airport information hotel. Cessna November 68524, Chicago Center. Radar contact. Continue to KNNS. Champaign Airport information hotel.
Cancel IFR.
Wind 134 at 9er. Visibility 10. Sky condition.
Maybe that's what I used to do. I used to cancel IFR.
Temperature 22. Dew point 19er. Altimeter 29er 80. ILS runway tree 2 right. And visual runway tree 2 left in use. Landing and departing runway
Dude.
14 left and runway 14 right. Via
I don't care.
direction of flight. All aircraft read. Champaign Airport Information Hotel. 0 trees. Cessna 524 contact Chicago Center on 125 decimal.
Jesus Christ.
Good day.
125.05 for Cessna 524. Chicago Center. Cessna November 68524. Flight level 240.
Cessna November 68524, Chicago Center. Radar contact. Continue to Woodies.
Chicago Center. Cessna 524 would like to cancel IFR.
Cessna 524, IFR flight plan is canceled. Radar service terminated. Squawk 1200. Maintain VFR. Frequency change approved. Good day.
Okay, finally got rid of that. So what runway wants me to land? Runway 1. Let's see what happens. Runway 1. Stars. Stars, none. Approaches, visibility. I wonder what's gonna happen. Lights. Okay, so we have discontinuity. It's not gonna land automatically. That's fine. delete this continuity. To delete, we click this, and execute. Okay, I think it's more or less okay for VNAV to work, but we can do it manually. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. See, we have a fuel, and we definitely not halfway. So we're gonna use another half. Let's wait a little bit and we'll do a mid-air refueling. Just pushing the plane too fast. That's why it's using so much fuel. Plane is looking crazy. Crazy dirty, I mean. Okay, we're at the 37% of fuel. I think it's about time, but let's slow the plane down just in case some magic happens. Get some fuel. Let's go back to time 16.
St. Joseph Airport information Oscar 0300 Zulu. Wind tree 29er at 15. Visibility 10. Sky condition, few clouds at 2400, ceiling 4700 broken. Temperature 21. Dew point 16. Altimeter 29er 86. ILS runway tree 5 in use. Landing and departing runway tree 5. VFR aircraft say direction of flight. All aircraft read back hold short instructions. Advise controller on initial contact you have Oscar.
I wish our airplanes can do simulation rate time 16.
St. Joseph Air. St. Joseph Air. St. Joseph Air. St. Joseph. St. Joseph Air. St. Joseph Air. St. Joseph.
Enough of your St. Joseph, come on.
St. Joseph. St. Joseph Air. St. Joseph Air. St. Joseph Air. St. Joseph Air. St. Joseph.
Jesus, where is radio?
St. Joseph Air. St. Joseph. St. Joseph Air. St. Joseph Air. St. Joseph. St. Joseph. St. Joseph. St. Joseph Airport
To know
information.
this plane really well.
0300 Zulu. Wind tree 28 at 15. Visibility 10. Sky condition, few clouds at 2400, ceiling 4700 broken. Temperature 21. Dew point 16. Altimeter 29er 86. ILS runway tree 5 in use. Landing and departing runway tree 5. VFR aircraft say direction of flight. All aircraft read back hold short instructions. Advise controller on initial contact you have Oscar.
don't remember if I was requesting IFR after that or no. But so I'm not gonna do that. I don't know if we can use VNAV. It's noise and sound completely too. What altitude is our airport? It's 2005 miles. Okay, that's about right. So we could set it to VNAV. And VNAV is somewhere here. Okay, VNAV is on. Okay. We're getting close to Zappa. We have enough fuel. Just gonna have to start slowing the plane down. I think that's our top of descent. Oh, let's see. After Zappa, we're gonna start descending. Okay, this one already saying flight to pattern. Pattern is still a little ways. Okay, let's go sim rate times 8 here. Let's see. Oh, top of descent here, okay. Start slowing a plane down so we don't overspeed. Let's see if we nav gonna. Oh yeah, no, it's 8200. Should take over. Okay, I should start going down. Yep. See the little dot. Yes. Coming down. Let's slow down a little bit. Just to make sure. Okay, how come we're not going down? VNAV, come on. The plane is not going down. It's supposed to go down, come on. Interesting, okay, well. Oh, we gotta go at 2000. We gotta slow it down. Okay. Range. Good. Drop the throttle a little bit more. Okay, let's go 2100. But not too high, we can always slow down. Go to final. Okay, let's look through a window. Final. 30 miles? Are you kidding? How is it 30 miles? We're never gonna descend? I screw up on some calculations. Let's slow the plane down even more.
You just passed under 18,000 feet. Don't forget to switch the barometer to QNH pressure.
Yeah, I did that. I had it earlier, huh? Let's slow it down even more. How are we looking? 17 miles, okay. I think we're good on altitude at least. Okay, we can decrease our rate of descent.
Zero Charlie traffic. Cessna November 68524, 10 miles east, 11,600. Inbound to land. Runway 100 Charlie.
Okay. How are we looking here? Not bad. We can just make straight turn. Let's drop flaps once so the plane slows down even more. Okay, we're about right. Oh, okay, autopilot turning. Okay. It's still a little hot. Okay, drop gear, flaps. Where in the heck is the runway here? Okay. I see the runway. let it go down. I think we're way too high. We're way too high. Maybe. Maybe. Increase the speed a little bit.
Autopilot.
Let's turn off autopilot.
Charlie traffic. Cessna November 6854
Whoa.
is on final. Runway 1 to land. 00 Charlie.
Come on, wow, the plane is so jumpy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh, that's a sketchy landing. Wow, okay. Jesus, I know what? Let's go around. What? I didn't touch down. Did I touch down? Escape. Abort mission. Well, that's what happens. Failed landing. What did we learn? Descend earlier, slow down earlier. At least we were able to hit escape. We didn't crash a plane. It is what it is. We'll try again tomorrow.